Okay, okunye ngikushilo ngithe ngikholwa ukuthi u-Antichrist usefikile. Angithi ngoba kuba nezimpawu uJesu asinikeza zona ukuthi uma ubona lokhu nalokhu nalokhu uyazi ukuthi sekuyisikhathi sini. So sibheka iy'nkathi or rather izehlakalo lezi uJesu nabaprofethi bonke abaye basinikeza zona ukuthi siziqaphele ukuze sazi ukuthi isikhathi sini emhlabeni. Yabo leyo nto leyo ingakho si-clear ukuthi sekuyisikhathi sokubuya kaJesu. Kodwa uPaul ucacise clear kwincwadi yabaseThessalonika, is it 2 Thessalonians, I think chapter 2, ibeka icace ukuthi uJesu ngeke, uthi uPaul uJesu ngeke aze abuye u-Antichrist engakavezwa. Uthi uJesu ngeke aze abuye, ngeke. That's the purpose ukuthi uPaul azabhale u-2 Thessalonians is because bese kune confusion la abantu bacabanga ngabanye ngalesikhathi ukuthi sebeshiwe, ngoba ukhumbula amakholwa la 2000 years ago ngenkathi ibandla liqala ayicabanga ukuthi uJesu uyabuya maduze. Nobody thought ukuthi kusazodlula abo 2000 years uJesu angawabuyi. Also because fela ngithi abazalwane bebesaseba basha ekholweni kungakaqondakali nezinye iprofeti, and ezinye iprofeti phela angeke uzuziqonde until isikhathi sakhona senzeka, because uma uphila kula mhlaba wangalesa sikhathi bongeke uzuqonde ukuthi one abawazi nomhlaba ukuthi ungakanani, bebengawazi wonke umhlaba ukuze kungathiwa kukhona umbuso ophethe umhlaba. Makhulunywa ngale mbuso ephethe umhlaba lapha eBhayibhelini ayiphethanga umhlaba, iphethe umhlaba owaziwa yibo ngaleso sikhathi, but umhlaba mkhulu kunalokho. Uyabona into leyo. So but le yokufika Antichrist eyokuphatha umhlaba wonke, the whole world. You understand? So that prophecy was never going to be understood 2000 years ago. But masekufomeka i-United Nations, that's where the prophecy starts being clear ukuthi uNkulunkulu bekhuluma ngani la. Yabo leyo nto le. And yabo mawufunda for instance ku-Isaiah 18, ma uNkulunkulu athi ibhanela eliphakamiswa phezu kwazo zonke izizwe, or phezu kwazo zonke izintaba or izizwe, but ma ikhuluma ngezintaba ikhuluma ngezizwe anyway. So that was never going to be possible kungekho TV, because uNkulunkulu uthi lelo bhanela eliphakanyiswa phezu kwezizwe libonwa abantu bonke bomhlaba. How do all people of the world see the same event if bekungekho TV? So that prophecy has come to pass today in the world where there's TV, where we can all see what is happening at any part of the world. You understand? So then we know ukuthi Isaiah 18 u-appropriate or u-apply kulesikhathi sanamhlanje lapho wonke umhlaba okhona ukubona into eyi-1 ngesikhathi esi-1 via TV. So i-prophecy cishe ihamba kanjalo, you understand? So now ngikhulume kwisho le ngiyadlula kwi-pre-tribulation rapture. Ngithi mina ngikhathazwa kahle ngikhathazwa ukuthi abaholi bebandla, and this comes straight from the Pentecostal charismatics, but also ama-evangelicals that they are part of it, especially ko-USA. Kwenziwe kwaba umthetho ukuthi fanele mawusindisiwe ukholwe i-pre-tribulation rapture. Mina ngiyaqala ukubona isimo lapho ekwenziwa kube mandatory ukuthi ukholelwe i-interpretation ye-end times prophecy, specifically kule issue ye-rapture. Hayi bazalwane, musana ukusiphoqa ukuthi ngoba siyamakholwa fanele sikholelwe i-pre-trib. Cha, angikholwa ke mina yiyo. Athi kuwo wonke the Pentecostals are the ones who are leading the world in prophecy interpretation. Ama-blunder enwenzile, there are so many. And anikhuzeki. You know, it is the Pentecostals. Base wes yabona belungu Nkosi yami. Wonke upresident wase-USA bathi u-Antichrist. But this is the Antichrist, and okay, buka bantu. kukhona abo antichrist and then kukhona antichrist. Wonke umuntu opposer or replacer uJesu antichrist. So kudala bekhona abo antichrist laba for the previous 2000 years. Yathola abo Shemba abo antichrist, abo Islam antichrist. These are replacements of Jesus Christ. So if you do that, you are an antichrist. So now, but angithi asikhulumi ngabo antichrist, sikhuluma ngo antichrist law, the final one there. Yathola, the ultimate rebel against God. So now, how do you force us to believe in pre-tribulation rapture? It is not mandatory that we believe in how you interpret. Njengoba nakuzo zonke nithi abo niya interpreta nisitshela ngabo president bokuba se-USA ukuthi abo antichrist. Sibuze ukuthi on what basis? Hayi bona imithetho abayishaya vele baningi abantu abashaya imithetho kaSathane. So why are American presidents the antichrist? I don't understand. What is the premise? And then how did you get to even understanding what the identity of the antichrist is? At least give us the understanding ukuthi ufinyelele kanjani lapho yilapho. Bese kuba yi-Seventh Day Adventist. Ngiyabonga ngama interpretation amaningi kodwa you guys are very rigid, and nina ke ni stubborn kodwa amakholwa in general are stubborn. Now ku-Seventh Day Adventist naqala ngabo 1500 or before ukuthi uPope u-antichrist. Bazalwane, angithi sikhuluma ngo-antichrist lo ogcina manje aniphathwa amahloni vele nina ukuthi since 1500 niloku nithi uPope u-antichrist. And we're talking about the final antichrist. So we can refer to final antichrist, the antichrist ka 666. So bangakike labo final antichrist enbenabo from 1500 kuze kube namhlanje. Amahloni esontweni awekho kanti like uphathwa amahloni ukuthi you misunderstood. So fanele admit ukuthi ngiya misunderstand yabo lento le uPope akusiyo antichrist. No? That's all you to do. Admit ukuthi ni wrong. And then bese ni upgrade and update nibuka ama events namhlanje nimfune simthole antichrist. But still hope. Okay? So I don't believe in pre-tribulation rapture. I don't believe the Pope is the antichrist. I don't believe that any American president is the antichrist. I believe the antichrist is present right now. On my side, bengixakwe into eyodwa nje ukuthi ngoba mina kukhona uDaniel 8 ongenza ngibone uAntichrist identity yezizwe ezi la across the Jordan on the east side of Israel. So now manje ngiyafuna ngikholwa ukuthi uAntichrist either uEdom or uArab or uMoab or the combination of the three. Ngikholwa ukuthi uAntichrist uyi-embodiment of those three enemies of Israel. And usually abantu namhlanje who are the embodiment of those three enemies of Israel are those people you call Palestinians. Angazi phela ukuthi why bona bene privilege of being called Palestinians and not the Jews who used to stay in Palestine and all the other people. Asiyekele angikho lapho. So now uLand uDaniel 8 leza impondo leza suggest ukuthi uAntichrist uqhamuka la next to Israel on this east side of the Jordan. But manje angikhona ukuconclude lento for 10 years because manje amaJuda azovuma kanjani umuntu ongasiwo umJuda ukuthi azibize uMessiah, yabo? Because the Antichrist declares himself as God, stroke Messiah, son. Etempilini kaNkulunkulu. So ngixakwe ileyo mina for 10 years. That was angakhona ukuba bold. Izolo ngithola ivideo ke eqhamuka komalume wami. Umalume wami ujwayele ukusipostela ama video asikhombisa ukukhohlakala kwaIsraeli nama fault or rather nokuthi iChristianity deception, stuff like that. So amaningi angwabukeli angalalela. But izolo ngeke ngayilalela. Hey ngasizakala. Ngikhohlwe igama lale yasisi ke umJuda ukhule as a Jewish lady khona lapho kwaIsrael. Hey ungisizile. Izolo phela makulayo uthi hayibo amaJuda ngokwenkolelo bayakholelwa ukuthi even a Gentile can be the Messiah. Ngathi yo, I did not know. Leyo solves the issue. Because phela mina bengeke ngikhone ukuconclude ukuthi uAntichrist comes from the Arabs or the Muslim communities on the east of the Jordan, ngoba ngiqakwe ukuthi phela uMessiah or false Messiah must be Jewish. So ngiyayivuma lenye kusho ukuthi ngiyayibona lena engiyikhonjiswa uDaniel 8, but at the same time ngiyayivuma le eshiwa abazalwana abathi uAntichrist is going to be Jewish, because vele to declare yourself as the Messiah you've got to be Jewish. So until yesterday lapho-ke usisi lo umJuda esifundisa ukuthi amaJuda ayakholelwa even in a Gentile Messiah, as umuntu actor as a messianic figure, uba uMessiah. Yayibona nto leyo ngathi yo, case closed. So Antichrist, I believe he's either Edom, Moab, or Ishmael, or the combination of the three. He is of origins of those nations to the near east of the Jordan River, the east of Israel. He's from there. All right. Nama ngabe uzalele USA, but umsuka wakhe yilapha. So whether uzalele South Africa or wherever, or wase ama origins lapha kulama country kulabantu abawu-3 abazonda Israel. That is where the Antichrist is going to come from, if I have interpreted the horns of Daniel 8 very well. Ngiyabonga.